I'm going to make a tea for you. What's the first step to make a tea?
Hot water.
Hot water, boiled water. Why? In nature, the cluster of water is around 5 to 6 molecules attach each other and make a cluster. But in bottled waters or tap water, they add too many chemicals to the water and make the cluster much bigger. I'm going to make a tea with cold water. I just opened the cold water, not hot water. The first cup, I'm going to make it with your city water. The second one, Kangen water. Third one, tap water. And the last one,
We have too many things now.
yeah, Kangen again.
Are you going to remember?
Yeah.
It's a lot to look at. Guess
You can see here. The one that I make it with Kangen, we have color and flavor. With tap, there is no color, no flavor. Why? Because the cluster of Kangen water is much smaller than any types of water and easily can penetrate to the tea bag. Completely the same story happened inside our body. When we drink this water, more than 90% of Kangen water absorb inside your cells. But less than 10 to 15% of tap water or any types of bottled waters absorb inside your cells. So when you drink it, after 4 months, 5 months, all your friends will tell you, what did you do? You did Botox, filler? Your skin will become very shiny, the wrinkle will disappear. Why? Because 75% of our skin is water. If we drink this water with more than 90% absorption, so for sure there is difference. And there is a lot of doctors that are working with us and they call these units detoxification units. Because all the time when you drink water, your body starts detox itself. So this is the third property.
Let me ask you this question. When you drink that water and it absorbs in you, do you sweat more or do you need more water?
You need more water. You can see that. Do
you go to the washroom more?
You go to washroom more. Your cells is like a sponge. They absorb everything. And then you need more water. But you can see the difference. After 4 days, you can drink tap water, and after 4 days, switch to Kangen. You can see you drink more because of absorption.
For you personally, Saeed, like when you started using the machine, like when was the first time you seen the difference and what was it?
After a month, yeah. And my wife, after 2 weeks, she told me my energy level is completely different. If you have any problem, we didn't have any problem. But if you have problem like acid reflux, after less than a month you see the result. I have a lot of customers, they bought the machine because of acid reflux. And they are using the pill for more than 20 years, some of them. After a month, they stop taking any medication. And it's amazing. It's good for a lot of things. I have a lot of customers, they bought the machine because of migraine, because of a lot of disease. And it works. Why? Some people come to my store and ask me, is it good for that disease? Is it good for what? Is it good for that? And I always tell them it's good for everything. Why? Because more than 70% of our body is water. If you send the good quality water inside your body, it's a Supreme Plus. When you use Supreme Plus in your engine, for sure it's different. And your body works different. Your disease will gone, disappear. That's why a lot of people come to my store, they tell me, you know what, I had cancer 10-15 years ago, my doctors told me there is no way, maybe you pass away after 3 months. I started using this water and now I'm alive and I'm healthy.
Using it mean like every day? Just
Every day, yeah, every day.
Did their cancer
If you go to American Anti-Cancer Institute website, it's americanaci.org. This is the largest institution regarding cancer. They have 10 recommended list for prevention and cure all types of cancer. Their first recommendation is this machine.